CVOsc turns an iPad and a DC-coupled USB sound card into a multi-channel oscilloscope for Eurorack. Plug an interface in, open the app, and every input shows up as a live waveform, CV or audio, 14 to 16 channels at once. Each pane shows one channel, name, color tag, and what it's reading. Up here are 3 buttons per pane: live monitor routing, oscilloscope, on/off, and selection. The control bar on the right has the global actions, display modes, recording, the tuner, and saved configurations. Each channel can be set up independently, rename it, flip between CV and audio, and dial in vertical range, offset, and time base. Auto fit zooms to the signal automatically. Auto trigger locks the phase so audio waveforms don't drift across the pane. 3 display modes share the same selection. All channels gives you the full grid. Selected zooms in on just what you've toggled. Overlay layers them on top of each other, so you can compare phase or watch one signal modulate another. If you don't need a channel right now, tap the scope icon to blank that pane. Selection and live monitor routings keep working on the disabled channel. Only the waveform render is suppressed. Live monitor lets you listen to any input through any output of the sound card. Pick a destination from the per channel menu. The audio routes there immediately. Multiple inputs can share an output. They're mixed and gain staged, so adding more sources doesn't clip. The tuner identifies the pitch on every selected channel. For audio, it does autocorrelation. For CV, it interprets the voltage as 1V per octave, with 0V mapped to C0, the standard Do-Apfel convention. The sense offset goes purple when you're meaningfully out of tune. Hit record, and CVOsc captures every selected channel to its own CAF file in iCloud Drive, DC coupled, full 32-bit float. Your Eurorack patches become recallable assets, and the metadata sidecar remembers signal type, scaling, and channel name so the recording isn't context-free. Open a recording backup and route it anywhere on your sound card. Different recordings can go to different physical outputs simultaneously, so a multi-channel capture can be played back exactly the way it was recorded. Loop a recording to keep it running while you patch around it. Hot plug just works. Pull the interface. The grid collapses to the built-in mic. Plug it back in, and every channel rehydrates. No app restart. No refresh button. The recording's browser's output picker also refreshes the moment a different device shows up on the bus. Configuration presets capture the entire pane setup. Names, scaling, signal types, scope on/off, and live monitor routing as a named bundle. Load to restore. Update to overwrite the existing preset with whatever's live now. Channel level state also auto-saves between launches without needing to be a named preset, so individual channel tweaks survive a force quit. Reset all is the panic button. Wipes scaling, monitor routes, and the on-disk per channel store. Saved configuration presets are untouched. 3 optional unlocks: tuner, recording and playback, and channel presets. Each is a one-tap subscription. Restore purchases is right there if you reinstall or pick up a new device. CVOsc, multi-channel oscilloscope, recorder, tuner, and live patchers monitor for any DC-coupled USB sound card. Available on iPad and iPhone.